What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, we are going to check about Shiba Inu. What's happening with Shiba? So, in the past 24 hours, Shiba pumped 53.8%. This is insane. This is very, very bullish. Okay, so Shiba dropped to the position number 12. So it was on position number 13. Now it's on position number 12. So we can see the past 7 days there on the until the 26th, Shiba was trading below 0.000001. Okay, and then all of a sudden we start trading on 0.0001, 15, 13, and then boom! That was crazy. That was crazy. So look at this. In the past 7 days, Shiba pumped 137%. Last 30 days, 154%. This is awesome. This just shows us that the bull run is here. And I'm going to show you why Shiba is pumping and why Shiba can potentially pump 800% more. Okay, this is awesome. Shout out to everybody who holds Shiba Inu. So market cap 13 billion, trading volume for the past 24 hours is 7.7 billion dollars, and the currently circulation supply is 589 something. Okay, I don't even know how to read this number because it's too damn long. But the good thing is there is a burning process and they are constantly burning Shiba. So less and less Shiba are going to be in circulation. That means, there will be supply and demand and the price will be appreciated. Hopefully that's what will happen in the future. Okay. And yeah, Shiba. So if you look at all-time high was 0.00008616. That was 2 years ago on the previous bull run, I believe, October 21. Okay, and from the price where it is right now to the all-time high, Shiba is still down 73%. So still got a few percentage to go, but I believe that Shiba will hit this level and will knock this zero out. Okay, that's my prediction. So let's see why Shiba is up 70% price surge, and could be this just the beginning. Okay, so let's have a look at the metrics and let's see what these guys say. Okay, guys, so bullish sentiment around Shiba spiked in the past few days. Okay, most market indicators and metrics look bullish on the token, and it is true because everybody knows Shiba is not just a meme coin right now. They built an ecosystem. It's called the Shibarium. Okay, and they are also burning Shiba. Okay, that's another cool thing that we can see. And the reason why Shiba is pumped is because a whale was holding Pepe, okay, and that whale sold Pepe for like 3 million something. Okay, I don't have the article right now, but I've seen the article. So made a profit of $3 million in Pepe, okay, and bought 800,000 worth of Shiba, okay, and then from there the Shiba spiked and everybody decided to jump in on Shiba. Hence, a lot of meme coins like Pepe, Bonk, whatever, are pumping as well because of Shiba. Shiba is definitely leading the way, okay? And we can see, so let's have a see what they say. So will this uptrend last? Since the last 24 hours looked bullish for Shiba, okay? AMB Crypto plan to take a closer look at the meme coin states to better understand whether the uptrend would last. Okay, the analysis revealed that Shiba Inu network value to transactions ratio dropped while its price surged. A drop in the metric means that the asset is undervalued, hinting a further price uptrend. And over here we can see the graph. Okay, don't ask me how to read this thing because I don't know. All right, I'm just reading what these guys are saying because supposedly they are experts in the area. And upon checking further, we found that Shiba MVRV ratio was up, another bullish metric, was its net worth growth, which too went upside, meaning that more new addresses were created to transfer the token. Buying pressure on the meme coin surged during its price streak. This seems to be the case as it exchange outflows spiked. Additionally, the supply held by the top addresses climbed, suggesting that whales were accumulating Shiba at its higher price. So whales are still accumulating, okay? Because like I showed you, we still are 74%, 73.5% down, okay? So people are saying that Shiba could go even further. So this article right here says that Shiba Inu is potentially for a major rally. Okay, so analyst Lucy predicts an 800% price surge for Shiba. 800%. That's a lot, right? That's 8x's. Well, if he does that, 800%, then we're gonna knock this zero out. Okay, so we knock this zero out, and yeah, that will be very, very close to 1 cent. Okay, so a lot of people been saying that Shiba will never hit 1 cent, but if you do a rally of 800%, we're gonna knock that zero out, and we're just gonna need to knock one more, well, two more zeros, and we're gonna be at 1%. Okay, 1 cent, I mean. But yeah, a lot of people saying that Shiba potentially will do 800%. All right, so that's a lot, right? But I think this has to do with the um, investors' interest in buying Shiba because Shiba is a deflationary token. Or that means every time there is a transaction, Shiba burns, and the burning process has been increased. So that means more tokens are getting out of circulation. Okay. So we can see that constantly this burning rate increasing day by day. So that removes millions of Shiba from circulation is quite significant for the supply and demand dynamics. Okay, so that shows that Shiba potentially will go ahead and break this 0.0002 resistance and climb even further than that. Okay, and let's go for another article right here. So we can see that Shiba burning rate skyrockets by 30,000%. Okay, that's what I said to you. Almost 4 million SHIB tokens have been removed from circulation in the last 24 hours. Okay, so like I said, the more transactions happens, okay, the less Shiba circulation will be available. Okay, because they are burning tokens, so there will be a price appreciation because the total supply is reducing, so the value will increase. Right now, we got a market cap of 13 billion according to this total supply. If the total supply reduced, okay, this 13 billion will get, well, the price value will increase because there will be less shares available. Okay, essentially that's just how it goes. Okay, that's thanks to the Shibarium. Okay, because Shibarium is aimed to enhance the ecosystem by reducing fees and increasing transaction speed. Is viewed possibly for Shiba future price appreciation. Okay, so yes, all from all those meme coins, I only hold Shiba. Okay, I only hold Shiba because Shiba is just not a meme coin. It has an ecosystem. That's why Shiba is right here. Well, I'm surprised that Shiba is below Dogecoin. Okay, is below Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is 20 billion. Shiba is 13 billion. Okay, but probably Dogecoin has less tokens around than Shiba. Okay, but we can see Shiba in top 12, number 12, and then after that we got Pepe. Pepe must be Pepe. Where's Pepe? Oh, Pepe is gone. Pepe was around here. Oh, there we go. So Pepe is 1.8 billion. Okay, so Pepe right here. At some point, Pepe was on number 30 something. Okay, but now he's dropped. He dropped because there is no interest in no more. But yeah, anyway, guys, Shiba seems like it's gonna continue its rally, and I would love to see that. I would love to see that 800% because I do hold Shiba, I do hold Bone and Leash, but only Shiba is the one that is pumping. The other ones they're not pumping as much. Okay. But that being said, guys, let me know what you think about Shiba. Do you hold any Shiba? If you do, when are you looking to sell? Are you looking to sell now, or when Shiba goes to 0.004, 5, 6, 7, or potentially 0.8? Okay, let me know in the comment box below and stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.